Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty grilled chicken wings without using an oven. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. With this recipe, I used a half a kg of chicken wings, or you can use any other part of the chicken. Then you'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder a half a teaspoon, black pepper a half a teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, a bit of salt to taste, tandoori masala 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoons. Then I squeeze a half a lemon, and lastly I added 1 tablespoon and a half of honey, but sorry, my camera stopped a bit. Then you'll mix all the spices very well with the chicken. Mix all the spices very well and cover the chicken wings and put in the fridge the whole day so that the spices blends in well with the chicken. And after the whole day of marination, remove the chicken wings from the fridge and mix them once more and cook them on the pan, or you can also grill them in the oven. Place the wings on the pan and add some of the sauce on top and a bit of oil, and cook the chicken wings in a low-medium heat fast so that they can cook inside. Then afterwards, increase the heat and add the remaining of the sauce and cook them on both sides so that they can get this amazing golden brown color. And once your chicken wings have this amazing color, then your chicken wings are ready. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with fries, rice, bread or anything you like, and enjoy your tasty chicken wings. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of chickens, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.